Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Android work profiles securely for privacy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer Android work profiles securely, you need to start by backing up your existing work profile data. Go to your device settings and find the Accounts section. Select your work profile account. Look for the option to back up data and select it. This may involve syncing the account with your organization's cloud service. Once your data is backed up, proceed to set up your new Android device. During the initial setup, select the option to transfer data from another device. Ensure you have internet access on both devices for a smooth process. Sign in with the same Google account linked to your work profile. Follow the prompts to restore your data. After restoring, navigate to the settings in the new device. Go to the Accounts section and add your work profile account again. Check if all necessary applications associated with the work profile are installed. Reconfigure any settings as necessary to protect your privacy. Make sure to enable security features like biometric authentication. Review and adjust the permissions for each app within your work profile. Once everything is set, ensure your work profile is functioning correctly. Test access to your work applications and data. After confirming successful transfers, delete your work profile from the old device if needed. Always ensure work-related data is encrypted and secure. Regularly update your security settings to maintain privacy. With these steps, your work profile should be securely transferred, keeping your data safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.